What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be learning how to make our own cube stand. So this is a cube stand which looks like a, so this is a cube stand, cube Lelo, celebrating 2 years. So guys, this one I got it with my Vijay along. So let's keep it here. So this is how a cube on a stand looks. So just like this, looks pretty fancy. Okay, so now let's keep this aside and we're going to learn how to make one for our own. So for this you'll need a cardboard sheet of an 18:8 sized paper, cardboard sheet like this, an 18:8 square shape. So you can just take a normal cardboard sheet, you can take a scale and then you can measure 8 centimeters. So you can look at this. So there it is, 8 centimeters, and then here also 8 centimeters. Then you can measure here also, see. So there 8 centimeters. And here finally 8 centimeters. Okay. So there is our 18:8 centimeter square. So guys, now in the square we are going to cut. So now we are going to take our scale in the square. We are going to draw a diagonal like this. So just like this. So let us make a diagonal line. Oops. Okay, that's the diagonal lines. Sorry for that. Okay, let's just ignore that. So guys, this is a diagonal line, and same diagonal line we're going to draw it over here. So it's like this. So we're going to draw it straight. Okay, so now we're going to just draw a line. There it is, clean diagonal. So there it is guys, you need to make it like this first. So now measure the distance between the center point here. So let's say this is the center point. Okay, so now it is 5.5, right? So 5.5, let's say we'll take 2. Okay, 2 is great. Okay, let's take 2 here, and then next one here we have we are going to take from 0 to, okay, this is 5.5, 5.6 something. So let's take 2 also here. So yeah, be like that. I know guys, this thing is a bit unequal, but it's okay. So this is 5.5 exact. So 2. Let's take this also. So this is 5.5, so 2 centimeters. So you have drawn all points, so mark all points. Now we're going to draw lines to the points. So let me just draw all lines. Okay guys, just make sure the lines are nice, and make sure it is mainly neat. Even though it's not nice, it should be neat. Okay, so here it is. So we have it like that. Okay, so now we're going to fold this into half like this. Okay, so we have it like this, we're going to fold it like that. Okay, so now we are going to do that from the back. We're going to fold this in half. Okay, to see through the line. Okay, there it is. Okay, we are going to crease it nicely, and then same thing in this side, we are going to fold it again. So here it is, nice thick. So let's fold it again. So now we are going to cut this part. So yeah, we need some scissors for that. So here it is. I've got the scissors, guys. Sorry for the delay. So here are the scissors. So now what we are going to do is we are going to cut this thing. So you're going to cut it like this. Yeah, so there it is. So you're going to put this piece aside, and then we're going to open it and we're going to cut any line. So let's say I'm cutting this. So let me cut this just like that. Then we're going to put it like this. Okay, so I cutted this line, and then I'm going to put it like that. So what we're going to do is we have this flap, we're going to put it like that, and then we're going to fix it with some glue stick. So let's open this and let's just fix our thing so that it gets ready. So this is the cut part, and so here's the glue. So here we have the glue. Now let's apply it to the part here. Okay, so there it is. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fix it like that. Okay, it's like that. Okay guys, and there it is, guys, your cube stand. There it goes. Let's try on our YJ along. Okay, so yeah, it's like that. Okay, so now we're going to let this glue dry for some time. We're going to just fix it together until then. So now to make it just like this, we're going to cut a bit of this like that. Okay, so here you're going to cut it like that from there. Okay, so it's like that. So let's cut the other side also. Okay, so we're going to cut 3 sides like that. Okay guys, okay. So the last side. Let's grease it nicely now so that it gets completely fixed with this glue. And let's just write something here, maybe cubing for fun. Let's write that. Okay, so guys, there it is, our own cube stand. So I think I have to let this glue dry a bit more. And yeah guys, there's a cube stand, and if you let this dry a bit, I'm sure you'll get a nice one out of it. And yeah, so compare these both now, and I'm sure this looks good because we didn't cut this more. Okay, so we did only 2. So if we get like this, it would be more nice. But yeah guys, who needs it? But yeah, this is a cube stand. It's really good. So guys, if you want more videos like this, we're going to put it. So let's try 5x5. I'm pretty sure this would not go. Okay, oh okay, come on guys. So okay, my god. Okay, so yeah, come on guys, 5x5 is fitting on it. So Yeah, please try this. I'm sure it will work. You just need a piece of cardboard and an 8 into 8 centimeter square, and I'm sure you'll get a perfect one like this. It's very nice. I'm sure I'm gonna use it. And I guess once again, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.